The speaker discusses the value of storytelling and what a story can do to change the outlook people have on items. For example, he tells the story of a writer who bought 200 items online as a social experiment. He then had authors write stories about these items. The object's values changed drastically because of one story. For example, one item of a horse head went from $2 to approximately $62.86. And it shows the diversity of the human mind and how that impacts the market, and how each person can find a story behind one item to create so much value for that item for them, whereas another person may not. Emotional investment was another point that he talked about. The more emotional investment a person has on an item and how much it means to them can make them overlook the price tag of the item and be less critical of that item's quality or the true market value. He used an example of the James Bond movie and how it could affect someone so much that they go out and buy a really expensive watch just to wear the same watch that James Bond wore, and that just creates so much more value to that watch than the next person that walks up the street and into that store. The speaker then explains how raising certain hormones in the human brain can create different feelings between people or between people and objects. By using emotion or suspense to release different endorphins, you can raise the price and monetary investment on an item and still have value for that item. How can I use what I learned? I'm currently working at a real estate agency and can definitely use the theory of storytelling to create a stronger bond with future and present clients. For example, if a couple that was pregnant came to look for a home to house their growing family, this creates a situation that has an emotional investment that negates any issues that may appear for others.